So what is the other point? The other point is it helps firms to directly and capitalize up opportunities rather than losing out competitors. So what is the market environment? Importance of marketing is environment is what? It helps firms. It helps firms. Okay, it helps firms to identify and capitalize 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 upon opportunities upon opportunities rather than rather than losing out to losing losing out to competitors. Okay, and it provides a base of objective. It provides base of objective. Objective, quantitative information about the information about the about what? About the information about the business environment, about the business environment that can subsequently subsequently be of value in designing the strategies. Okay, so what does it mean? It means it helps firms to identify. Okay, it helps the firms means companies. Okay, so the marketing environment helps companies to identify and capitalize. Okay, identify and capitalize upon opportunities rather than losing out the competitors. So it will help the companies to identify who are the competitors and what are the opportunities in the market. Okay, so without knowing the marketing environment, what is happening in the market, how the companies will know what are the new opportunities are there in the market. Okay, what are the opportunities are there in the market and what are the new offers they are getting in the market. And also it provides base of objective information about the business environment. Okay, it provide base of objective information about the business environment that can subsequently be of value in designing the strategies. Okay, it provide base of objective in information about the business environment. Okay, it provides base of objective information means what is happening in the business, what is happening in the environment, in the market regarding the business, that can subsequently be of value in designing the strategies. That means they can do the planning without knowing what is happening in the business environment and what is happening in the environment, how the new plans and new strategies can be built up. So new strategies and new plans cannot be built up without a proper planning and without a proper strategies. Okay, without a proper planning and without proper strategies. So it is very much important. Okay, it is very much important to know the what is the basic objective. Okay, and also what is the environment in the business and what is the basic information. They should take the information from the market. Okay, they should take the information for the from the market in order to carry out the business smoothly in future. Okay, this is the important. So you have some nature of marketing. Okay, what is the nature of marketing environment? Nature. Nature of sorry, nature of marketing, nature of marketing environment. Okay, so there are four natures. They are marketing environment is complex, marketing environment is complex, marketing environment is dynamic, marketing environment is dynamic. What is the marketing environment? It is dynamic, and marketing environment is multi-phase, and fourth is marketing environment has a far reaching impact. Marketing environment has a far reaching impact. Far reaching impact. Okay, so marketing environment is complex, marketing environment is what? It is dynamic, and marketing environment is multifaceted, marketing environment has a far reaching impact. So we will discuss one by one. So basically marketing environment is what? It's quite complex. It consists of large number of factors which are interrelated and interdependent. So in marketing environment there are so many factors. Okay, there will be so many factors like demand, supply, price fluctuations, competitions, everything. They are all complex and they are all interdependent upon each other. Okay, they are interdependent upon each other. So any change in one factor, okay, if any changes happens in one factor, let us say if the changes happens in demand or the changes happens in prices, or any change in one factor may generate changes in other factors. So if one change happens in one factor, then what happens? Ultimately it affects the other factors. So however, the nature of interrelationship and interdependencies among the various factors is not fixed. So however, what happens? The nature of interrelationships and interdependencies among the various factors is not fixed. So therefore the environment becomes a difficult exercise. What happens? The environment becomes a difficult exercise. Okay, so what is the basically the environment? Okay, what is the environment? Marketing environment, it is complex. Okay, it is complex. So marketing environment is dynamic. Okay, marketing environment is what? It is dynamic. So the marketing environment is constantly changing in nature. Okay, so the marketing environment is constantly changing in nature. Okay, the nature of the marketing environment changes. So as I said, according to the seasons, according to the demand, according to the supply, and there will be so many factors which will be affecting the marketing environment. So because of all this, it is constantly changing in nature. So due to the many and varied influences operating, there is dynamism in the environment, causing it to continuously change its shapes and character. So it continuously changes its shapes and characters. So what happens? The marketing environment is continuously changing. It is dynamic and it changes continually. Okay, so the other one, okay, the other one is what? Marketing environment is multifaceted. Okay, what is this? Marketing environment is multifaceted. That what does it mean? That means what shape and character a marketing environment assumes depends on the perceptions of the observer. Okay, so what shape and character? Okay, what shape and character a marketing environment assumes depends on the perception of the observer. So a particular change in the marketing environment or a new development may be viewed differently by different observers. So frequently seen when the same development is welcomed as an opportunity by one company while another company perceives that as a threat. So that means marketing environment is multifaceted. So that means the shape and character of a marketing environment depends on the perception of the observers. And the fourth one is what? Marketing environment has a far-reaching impact. That means the marketing environment has a far-reaching impact on organizations. Okay, so the growth and profit of an organization depends critically on the environment change and impact on the organization in several different ways. So since the marketing environment is complex, okay, since the marketing environment is complex, dynamic, multifaceted and has a far-reaching impact, dividing it into external and internal components enables us to understand it better. Okay, understand it better. So basically what is it? It is like marketing environment has a far reaching impact. Okay, so what are these four? Marketing environment is complex, marketing environment is dynamic, marketing environment is multifaceted, marketing environment has a far reaching impact. So these are the four natures. Okay, four natures of the marketing environment. Now what is the need for analyzing marketing environment? What is basically the need? Why it is the needed to identify the or to analyze the marketing environment? Okay, what is basic, why it is required, what is the need to analyze the marketing environment? Okay, so let us discuss that also. Why it is required? Need. What is the need for analyzing marketing environment? Okay, so what is the need for analyzing the marketing environment? So basically you can see the reasons why we need to analyze the marketing environment are like, marketing environment is analyzed to estimate the future marketing environment. Okay, future లో ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసుకోవడానికి it is very much important to analyze the marketing environment. So marketing environment is analyzed to estimate the future marketing environment, and marketing environment is analyzed to keep track on the environment changes and the outcomes of such changes. So marketing environment is analyzed to keep track on the environment changes. Okay, so marketing environment is analyzed to what? To keep track on the environment changes and the outcome of such changes. So why they need to know the why it is very much required to analyze the marketing conditions means to know and to analyze. Okay, and to know and to analyze what will happen in the future and what they need, what are the steps they need to take in the future. Okay, so to identify the opportunities and okay, so to analyze marketing environment, okay, to analyze the marketing environment, the marketing strategies, what? To identify the opportunities and threats posed by marketing environment, marketing environment is analyzed. So what are the threats, what are the dangers are going to happen in the market? They can be identified. Okay, they can be identified only through this, only by analyzing the marketing environment. So to identify the opportunities and threats posed by the marketing environment is analyzed. So the marketing strategies, plans and programs of the company have to be designed by taking into consideration the opportunities and what trends in the marketing environment. So and for this, clear analysis of marketing environment is very much essential. So it is very much essential to know the marketing plans, programs, and the marketing strategies, plans and programs of the company have to be designed by taking the consideration of what? The opportunities and trends in the marketing environment. So the marketing environment, what the companies they need to do, what are the new changes are coming in the market, according to what are the technologies are there in the market, and what are the demand in the market, what are the new things are coming in the market, they need to adopt all these things. Okay, and the marketing strategies and plans and programs of the company have to be what? They have to be designed by taking into consideration. So the in the company they will be doing some marketing plans, some marketing strategies, and they will design the strategies. So how they should design the strategies means they should take the consideration into what are the new technologies are coming in the market and what are the new techniques are there in the are coming. They need to adopt all these to do the more marketing, and what are in the marketing environment, what is happening in the marketing environment. And for this, clear analysis of marketing environment is very essential. So marketing environment is analyzed to determine the scope of each opportunity based posted by the marketing environment and to select those opportunities which can positively influence companies' marketing operations. So marketing environment is analyzed to determine the scope of each opportunity. Okay, so marketing environment is analyzed to determine the scope of each opportunity posted by the marketing environment and to select those opportunities which can positively influence companies marketing operations. So first is like marketing environment is analyzed to estimate the future marketing environment. Okay, so it is used to estimate the future market environment. And the second is marketing environment is analyzed to keep track on the environment changes and the outcome of such changes. Okay, so marketing environment is analyzed to estimate the future marketing environment. Future lo em jarugutundo that should be analyzed and estimated. And marketing environment, why it is needed? Marketing environment is like need for analyzing marketing environment. What is basically need to analyze? ఎందుకు మార్కెట్ కండిషన్స్ని అనలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి? Why they need to analyze the marketing conditions means to identify the opportunities and what are the new threats. Okay, what are the new threats posted by the marketing environment, and marketing environment is analyzed. And marketing environment is analyzed to determine the scope of each opportunity posted by the marketing environment and to select those opportunities which can positively influence companies marketing operations. Okay, companies marketing operations. So this is the need. So basically why they should analyze the marketing conditions means why they should need to analyze the marketing conditions. Why it is very much required to analyze the marketing conditions? Why it is very much important to analyze the marketing condition is means only to determine what will be the risk in the future, what is going to happen in the future, and what is going to be done in the future. All these they need to analyze in the market. So marketing environment is what is analyzed to keep track on the environmental changes and the outcome of such changes. And what is the outline the process of marketing environment analysis? So what is the basic process of marketing environment analysis, and what are there are some types of marketing environments. types of marketing environments. What are the different types? There are so many different types of marketing environment. We will discuss in detail what are the types of marketing environment. Okay, so types of marketing environment. What is this? Types of marketing environment. Okay, we will study one by one what are the types of marketing environment. So there are 6. Okay, they are like micro environment. Okay, micro environment indicates the factors and forces in the immediate area of operation of the firms which affect the market managers' ability to serve the customers. So there will be a market, there will be a suppliers. Okay, but there are some factors. Okay, there are some factors which are there in this micro environment. Okay, which are there in this. So types of marketing environment and micro environment factors. These two are same questions. These two are same points. Types of marketing environment and micro environment. Micro environment. Okay, micro environment factors. Micro environment factors. So what is micro environment? Indicates the factors and forces in the immediate area of operation of the firm which affects the marketing manager's ability to serve the customers. So it includes both internal as well as external forces. So internal forces includes the company's top management and its various departments like purchasing department, research and development department, production department, finance department and personnel department. So all departments within an organization have the potential to positively or negatively impact firm's objectives. So these factors are what? They are generally under control of the firm, as these have to coordinate with each other, but external factors cannot be governed by the firm. So external micro factors, what are these external micro factors which affects the marketing is the company, the suppliers, marketing intermediaries, customers, competitors and public. So all this comes under the various factors of this micro environment factors. Okay, micro environment factors. Right. So what are those? Suppliers, marketing intermediaries, competitors, customers, general public, company. So what is happening? All these are what? Micro environmental factors which are affecting the marketing. Okay, which are affecting the marketing. So we will discuss in detail one by one what are the type of marketing environment and micro environmental factors. These two are the same questions, same topic. They come under, if any one question comes, you can write the same answer for both the questions, that is types of marketing environment and micro environment factors. Okay, micro environment factors. That means micro environment what indicates the factors in the immediate area of operation of the firm which affect the marketing manager's ability to serve the customers. It includes both internal as well as external forces. So this marketing environment, okay, this marketing environment indicates both the factors and forces. They are internal factors and external factors. Internal forces includes the company's top management, okay, and its various departments. What are the internal forces includes in this micro environment factor? In this factor is, they are like internal forces, company top management and its various departments like purchasing department, research department and production department, finance department and personnel department. So all these come under this internal forces. That means micro environment indicates the factors and forces in the immediate area of operation of the firm which affects the marketing manager's ability to serve the customers. So all departments with an organization have the potential to positively or negatively impact company's objectives. So these factors are generally under control of the firm as these have to coordinate with each other, but external factors cannot be governed by the company. So external micro factors, they govern, what happens, external factors they cannot be governed by the firm. Okay, internal forces can be governed by the firm like purchasing department, development department, production department, all this they can be done. So we will discuss in detail. Okay.